Hi, I am Jnanavil Thirumaran, Principal Architect for Mana Ubervedant and Founder and Director of Blends Design Private Limited, Bangalore. I am here to take you all for the journey of Mana Ubervedant design process. When I visited the site, it's located most favorable part of the city, which has direct approach from Sarjapura main road. And I have observed the surrounding building use, position and orientation, skyline to create an advantage of my design. And when we see about on-site feature, the site has natural contours in it with the level difference of 4.5 meters. There were only few trees and surrounded by residential development on one side and continue to have open land on other side. I identify the threats, possibilities, challenges and opportunities in the site to make the design function well. I think I have fascinated about the design, passionate about the quality of life and quality of living, and always think about the cost that makes life comfortable, the cost that makes pleasant, the cost that gives the land to function well. And I have decided to make this happen in Mana Ubervedant with the opportunity presence in the site. Mana Builder was clean and clear in their brief. The builder has known the city development pattern in terms of urbanization and how the urban growth expands. And the builder is aware of all the impact of vertical development by avoiding the greenery. The requirement was to grow vertically with nature. The builder wanted all the dwelling units to have a garden for them to make them feel the presence of living together with the nature. It is not about only the building, we have to go beyond the building also. We definitely need a healthy environment to lead peaceful life. We have make nature also to grow along with us. I was sure about my vision about how Mana Ubervedant going to rise above the ground. As an architect, I am very much concerned about the people comfort and the environment. It is all about survival, it's all about celebrity of lifestyle. In a way, celebrating the place and space which determine the quality of life. I believe making the building breathe while achieving the residents' needs is the success of any design and the project. Concept of zero vehicular movement at a podium level has been introduced to encourage the pedestrian activities within the residential development. It gives pleasant and calm environment for all dwelling units, and it creates an opportunity for the kids and elders to walk, interact and play at the podium level without any hassle. In addition to that, it reduces the air pollution caused by the automobiles and helps in maintaining the microclimate of the place. All leads to enhance better quality of life for the residents of Mana. We have 3 stages of design process like a feasibility study, preliminary design study and concept design. Immediately after the feasibility study, we have started the preliminary design where we put all the design ideas and parameters into the design. After so much of refining the scheme, we conclude with the best design solution. Yes, it took almost 6 months time period to finalize the project scheme. It was quite interesting and proud to work along with Mana, where the team has clear vision about developing the environment along with the nature. Of course, development has to be happen without destroying the nature. Homeowners look forward to stay in a setting that calms their mind as they see the stress level. They always want a home to have a lawn, a compound filled with greenery, open space for a fresh feeling, leisure space that reduce their stress level. While kids can have outdoor play area, elders can take a walk in the park to catch some fresh air. Youngsters and professionals have swimming pool and gymnasium indoor play area, court and workstations. Clubhouse has multi-purpose hall that makes an excellent place to meet new people and socializing within the community. Of course, there has to be something for everyone in the property that makes them feel good, peaceful, refreshing and comfortable. Grow along with the nature.